Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you the beautiful and amazing wall decor and also for home decor idea. Now let's start. I am using a bakery box for making this craft. You can also use any type of box, whatever you have. Now I am cutting the maroon printed corners of this box. It was amazing DIY idea. You can also use any type of box for making your beautiful craft. A very little time, I am cutting this box into the pieces. Almost done. Now I have the very beautiful pieces for making my craft. I take a one piece and draw a leaf shape on it. With the help of scissors, I am cutting this piece into the leaf shape. Now my leaf is ready. I am taking another piece and also cut into the same shape. A very little time, I am cutting these pieces into the leaf shapes. Now my leaf is ready. You can see it looks so amazing. Now I am taking a cardboard. With the help of any circle shape, I am cutting this. Now with the help of scissors, I am cutting this cardboard into the circle shape. The radius of this circle is 6.5 cm. Now I am paste this leaf one by one on it. Now I am pasting the another line of leaf into the center of previous leaf. Now I am using a circle shaped mirror for making my craft beautiful. Now I am using teeny mirrors for pasting the center of leaves. You can also use any type of mirror. If you have no mirror, you can use a glitter foamy sheet for making your craft special. Now it was looking so pretty. I am taking a thread because for hanging off my wall and roll into the small and also tie from the end, and I am pasting this the back side of my wall decor and also pasting the tape on it. And here is my beautiful craft is done in just a few minutes. If you like my crafting, kindly subscribe my channel and like this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.